Hello friends, today we will discuss about when we should take the vaccine if you are already infected with the COVID-19 virus, and if you have taken the first dose of COVID vaccine, and if you had COVID infection, then when should you take the second dose of COVID vaccine. So first we will answer the first query. If you are infected with the COVID-19 infection and you are recovered from that infection, so after recovery, after 15 days you can take the COVID vaccination. So these are the old guidelines, and according to the new guidelines you can wait for 3 to 6 months, because COVID infection itself provides you natural immunity. It builds antibodies in your body and it helps you to protect against serious COVID-19 infection for up to 3 to 6 months. So you can defer vaccination for 6 months. Now the second question is that if you have taken the first dose of vaccine and now you had COVID-19 infection, then when should you take the second dose of vaccine? So the people who are recovered from the COVID-19 infection and who have completed their first dose can take their second dose after 15 days of recovery from the COVID-19 infection. So you have completely recovered from the COVID-19 infection, wait for the 15 days, and after that 15 days you can take the second dose. Now also the new guidelines suggest that you can wait for 3 to 6 months, because the antibodies which are produced by the natural infection in your body can protect you for 3 to 6 months. So you can defer your vaccination for 3 to 6 months, and it will help to fight the shortage of vaccine in your country, because it will help to vaccinate large number of population. And if you are able to vaccinate large number of population in a short span of time, which is only helpful to curb the spread of the pandemic. So all the national, international health organization have suggested that you have to vaccinate large number of the population in short period of time, in a short span of time, because that will build a herd immunity in the society and it will curb the spread of the virus. If you are not able to vaccinate large number of the population, the unvaccinated people will get the virus and the number of mutants will occur in the society. Nowadays you are seeing that number of variants, double mutants, 3 mutants are occurring in the society. That is because the number of people are susceptible to the virus. So if you want to stop the spread of this pandemic, at least 70% of the population should be vaccinated with the vaccines. Otherwise, if it takes very large time, the number of variants, mutants will occur and they will have the capability to infect the people who are vaccinated already. Though these infections are not serious yet, but we cannot say at this moment that the future variants or they will protect the vaccinated people. So it is the responsibility of the people, responsibility of the government to do vaccination of the large number of people, about 60 to 70% of the people, so that new variants of the COVID-19 will not emerge dramatically. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much.